What's up? Welcome to my channel again, Elijah Matthew new channel. So today I'm going to be telling you how do you make a tea. So in the previous video I told you how to make a the tank juice, right? I have uploaded in the previous video. So I'm gonna be telling you how do you make a tea, okay? You know tea. So what you need is you need some cup for boiling into, and also you need this one as well. I forgot the name of it. You need a cup. You need a tea powder. You can say tea powder, and also you need not tea powder. You need a masala powder. If you don't want masala, then you can carry on with other rest of the stuff, and sugar and milk. And also you need a cup for serving it, and also you need a strainer so that the black stuff will be stored inside this. So I hope you enjoy this video. First thing on this, the main switch, on the main switch, so it's ready. So you put this thing, and you have this one other, so it will be easy for it to stand. Yeah, there you go, it stands. I will just make it easier. So what you need, also you need a water. You need a water also. So what you need, you want this one. Pour water. Little water, only just very little water. Wait a minute. Okay, and you need a tea powder. You need a tea powder. 2 or 3 spoons. I'll just add 3. So this is just a tea. So add 1, 2, and 3 spoons. And you have to add a masala. I will add only for 2 spoons of masala. Just add for 2 spoons of masala. Just very little, 1 and 2. So as you can see, it is boiling, and I will make it. And also you need milk, sugar. You need sugar just to you need milk. Sorry, milk. Let's use our should open this. Let me skip that. Wait. So I open the milk, and you just add it. So it becomes white. Okay, how many milk you need? That much milk. Close it and add some sugar. Like 3 spoons of sugar. Add 3 spoons of sugar. Put 1, 2, 3. I'll just put this back until it will be ready. So as you can see, it's all little white. So I put this in a high flame. So I put this thing in a high flame. So reduce, open. So make it high flame so that it will boil. It means bubble or comes up. For that reason, I'll add some little sugar again. So it'll be easy. I'm sweating, so I need to wait for it. So add some sugar. I add some sugar already. I already add some sugar. Yeah, I added some sugar. So until it flame, if I'll just wait for it to boil. So till then, I will just skip this video. So the tea has boiled. The tea has boiled now. So it's slowly going down. So one thing, make sure that you don't touch it because it's very hot. So what you need is just some kind of cloth. Put this in the handle, but be careful. It's very hot. Don't touch it. Yeah, bring it slowly. It's too hot. I cannot even hold it, but it's okay. So all you need is a sorry. So all you need is a strainer. This strainer, so that the black powder will, I mean black some black particles will come here. The tea bag, something I don't know. Forgot again. So I will. So you pour it, and all the particles will be there in the over. So it will be stored. So the strainer will hold it. So I'll just skip that, and it will be ready. So have it a nice cup of tea. It's very tasty. So try it and make this at your home and give it to your family. This is for my mom and this is for me. This is mine and this is for my mom. So that's it. It's very tasty, looking so clear. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe my channel, like the video, and turn off the notification. And one thing also, be safe from the coronavirus. So goodbye and peace.